Guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, we will solve Seat Reservation Manager LeetCode problem. This is a medium problem. In this problem, we are given n seats that are numbered from 1 to n. We have to implement the Seat Manager class. Seat Manager constructor initializes a Seat Manager object that will manage n seats numbered from 1 to n. All seats are initially available. Reserve method fetches the smallest number of unreserved seat. Is a seat with the lowest number which is available, reserves it and returns the number. Unreserved simply unreserves the given seat number. Solution is very straightforward. We will have a seat counter which will be initially 1. This means the current available seat number is 1. We will also have a priority queue of type integer. Now we have our priority queue and the seat counter. Let's initialize priority queue inside the constructor. Equal to priority queue. We don't need to pass the capacity, but let's pass the capacity. So we'll first check if the queue is empty. If the queue is not empty, do this. Else get the current seat number that is available. This is the minimum seat number available. Its value will be seat count and increment the seat counter and return the seat number. Done. Now if the queue is not empty, simply hold the seat number. That is the minimum seat number that is present in the queue. Unreserve it. Unreserve a seat. You will simply offer that seat to the queue. That means the queue contains all the available seats that we currently have, and the queue is a min queue, that is min heap, and it will return the minimum number in the heap so far. Let's check the solution. Our test case is passing. Let's submit the solution. Our solution is working fine. The